Hello all, this is Pramod Lodi. So today I'm gonna explain you how to make a solar vehicle at home. So friends, first you have a few basic tools: multimeter for measuring the battery voltage, and a register value, wire cutter for cutting the wire, a screwdriver for tightening the screw, scissor for cutting the paper, tester for checking the voltage here and there. Also you need a soldering iron soldering machine. This is the iron soldering machine used to join two wire to each other. This is very important part because here I have to work on PCB, so we require iron soldering machine. Moreover, you should have spare parts to make this solar vehicle. First and very important part, solar panel. You should purchase a solar panel, and you should have a rigid frame to install the solar panel and other equipment. You have to purchase 4 vehicles, 2 DC motors, 12-volt DC motors, indicators, and PCB cards, which includes IC7812, 3 diode, 1 resistor, 112 volt battery. You also need switch. By arranging all the spare parts of the solar vehicle, you can get them installed, and now you can see this. My project is ready. By on here, you can on this vehicle from here because I have given a switch here to get it on and off. You can see this. My project is running. You can see this. My project is running. Again, I am explaining. I have installed a solar panel. I have installed a solar panel here. 2 DC motor, 12-volt DC moters, 4 nodes of vehicles, solar car vehicles. You can see here 2 indicators for headlight. Also, I have installed a PCB, printed circuit board, or you can say control panel, and its component I have installed inside the enclosure. This is the enclosure where I fix the solar panel, switches, and inside the enclosure I have fixed the control panel to control this car. So, and most and very important thing is here, I have made the provision in this car. In bad weather, you can unable to charge this car with the help of solar, because that time I have made a provision in this car. You can charge this car battery by the help of 5-volt mobile charger. This is the very important component which I have added here. So if sun is not available, that time you can charge this solar car battery by the help of 5-volt DC charger. You can see my project is ready, and I'm gonna on you. So see here, this is the switch for solar car. Now I have on this car. Now it is running condition. Okay. Now getting it off. Agenda making this car to tackle the problem of shortage of fuels and pollution for future generation. Thank you so much.